Hi children, I got a set of coins. Now let me teach you a simple way to count them. Now I count 10 coins and make a 1 file. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I take 10 coins. And again count 10 from the remaining and make another 5. Let's see, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep on doing until all the coins are counted. See, again you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next again you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next again you count 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your remaining coins also count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here see one file. File andre Rashi. So in this one file 10 coins. Here also 10. Here also 10. Here also 10 coins is there. Here also 10 coins. And here also 10 coins. But here only 5 coins is there. So these are tens and these are units. Tens andre 10, unit andre 1 athava bidi. So here 10 coins, how many times is there? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 10 and 5 units. Units means 1. So 6, 10, 60. 5 units, 5 coins. In this way we count numbers easily. So these are tens and remaining coins are units. Hi children, today we are going to learn another topic, grouping and counting the object 0 to 99. Next activity, Gauramma, mother of Ramu and Radha, owns a telephone booth. She opens the coin box and collects all the coins in a bag. So Gauramma ಎಂಬುವರೊಂದು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಾಧಾ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮ್ ಎಂಬ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ರಾಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಆಗ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ ಎಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್? ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ರಾಮು, ಎಸ್ ಮದರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 97 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ಆಗ ರಾಮು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದು ಅಮ್ಮ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 97 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಾಧಾ, ನೋ ಮದರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 98 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ರಾಮು ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂವಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾದ ಮಾಡೋದು. ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 98 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ 10 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ 5. Again count 10 coins from the remaining and make another 5. Keep on doing until all coins are counted. ಆಗ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, 10 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ 1 ಫೈಲ್. ಆಗ 10 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಎಣಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ರಾಶಿ, ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದಿರುವ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಅದೇ ಥರ 10 ಕೌಂಟ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಾಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದೆಮ್ ಮದರ್. ಆಗ ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ ರಾಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲುಗಳಿದೆ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದರ್ ಆರ್ 9 ಫೈಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಆಗ ರಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಧಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 9 ಸಾಲುಗಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಲಲ್ಲಿ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಯಿನು ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 6 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 6 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 9 files containing 10 1 rupee coins and 6 coins are left. ಆಗ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, 9 ಸಾಲುಗಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಲಲ್ಲಿ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 6 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಫೈಲ್ 10 1 rupee coins is there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 file is there. So 9 ಸಾಲುಗಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಲಲ್ಲೂ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. and 6 coins are left. 6 ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. So 9 tens and 6 units. So 9 tens 6 units. There are 96 1 rupee coins in total. Next, group the given objects into tens and units and fill in the boxes. For example, see here 10 beads is there, here also 10, and this one only 2 beads is there. So you can divide 10 separate and the units separate. So here already divide the beads, tens and units separate. See here 110, here also 110, and remaining are units. So 2 tens, 2 units, total 22. So here we have a group of leaf is there. So see here one raw 10 leaves. Raw means sadhu, and here also 10 leaves, here also 10 leaves, here also 10 leaves, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 leaf is there. So how many times 10? See 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and remaining are units. So here you can divide 10 separate and units separate. So I can here already 10 leaves, draw it. So how many times you can count 10? 4 times. So here you can draw here 10, here also 10 leaves. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also you can draw 10 leaves, and here also 10 leaves you can draw it, because 4 10 is there. So now you can separate tens, and you can write remaining leaves. Remaining how many leaves is there? 7 leaves. So here you can write 7 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many times you can count 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 10. Remaining are units. So here 7 leaf is there. So 7 units. 4 tens and 7 units. Total 47. And here also you can divide tens and units separate. So here you can first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one time you can count tens, and remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. So one time you count 10 apples, and remaining andre ulidirodu units. So here you can draw. So only one times 10 apple is there. So here you can draw 10 apples, and here you can draw remaining apples, units. So now I can finish tens. Now you can draw units. So here 4 apples. So 4 apples you can write 4 units. So now count 1 10, 4 units. 1 10 and 4 units. 1 10, 4 units, 14. And here also you can count tens and units separate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. So 2 tens and remaining 5 sticks. Remainings are units, and here 2 tens. So here you can draw 2 times 10 sticks. Now you can draw units. So many units is there? 5 units. So you can draw 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times 10 is there? 2 times, and remaining units 5. So here you can write 2 tens, 5 units, 25. In there you count tens and units separate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ice cream. Here you count now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cream. So one time only 10 ice cream is there. So here only 5. So these are tens and these are units. So here you can divide tens and units separate. and here you can draw units. How many units is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So here you can draw units of ice creams. 5 ice cream is there. 5 units. So see here only 110 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So 110, 5 units, total 15. So here also you can count tens and units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 draw 10 stars. Here also 10, here also 10. Here 1, 2, 3 stars. So 3 tens and 3 units. Here you can write tens and here you can draw units. Units of here stars. So here you can write units of stars. Here tens of stars. So here you can draw units of stars. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. So here 3 tens and this one here 3 units. 3 tens, 3 units, total 33. Here also you count tens and units separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. So here also 1 draw 10 lollipops is there. Here also 10, here also 10, here also and here also and here also 10. So last line you can count how many lollipops is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and remaining are units. Here you can draw tens of lollipops. So here you can draw units of lollipops. How many? 8 is there. So you can draw it. So here 5 tens and 8 units. 5 tens, 8 units, total 58. Next, draw the number of objects for the given numbers in groups of tens and units as shown in the example. For example, see here 26 flower is there. So you can already divide 2 tens and 6 units. Next, first one, see here 19. So now you can divide tens and units. So first use small letters, you can write units and tens. So 9 units, 110. So here you can draw 10 circle because only 110 is there. So you can draw it 10 circles. And next, here you can draw units of circles. 9 circle is there. You can draw it 9 circles because 9 units is there. Next, second one, 44. So you can divide tens and units. So here 4 units and 4 tens. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 4 tens, 40. So here you can draw 40 boxes and here you can draw 4 boxes because 4 units is there. Here you can write 40 box. So here you can draw 40 boxes. I finished. Here you can draw it 4 box because 4 unit is there. So you draw it 4 box. Next 39. So you divide tens and units separate. First you can divide units. 9 units, 3 tens. So 39. Here you can draw it 30 triangle shape because 3 10 is there. Here you can draw it 9 triangle shape. So now you can write 30 triangle because 310, 110, 210, 310, 30. So here you write 30 triangles. Next you can here write 9 triangle shape because 9 units is there. Next 23. Now you divide units and tens. First this one unit, this one tens. So 3 units, 2 tens. 2 10, 20, 3 units, 3. So here you can write 20 stars because 210 is there. 110, 210, 20. Next here you can draw 3 stars because 3 units is there. Next 50. So you can divide units and tens. So units 0, tens 5 10. 5 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10. 50. So here you can write 50 mirror. Mirror andre Kannadi. So you can write 50 mirrors because 5 10. So 5 tens and 0 units.